Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the 2025 new casting, which is the Mazda MX-5 Miata. And it's not just any casting, it's from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage 2 out of 5, and this is actually the winner Legends Tour car for, I don't know, 2024 I think. And this is number 1 out of 250, so basically this is the first car produced for the year. Basically that's a very nice looking Miata. That's actually like a heavily modified actually. I can't recall what's last year's Hot Wheels Legends Tour, but then there is the MX-5 Miata. There's the car, I think, the real one. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So here is the MX-5, colored in a dark metallic gray. Honestly looks great in this dark metallic gray MX-5. Now the modification for this car is pretty wild if you ask me. I mean, looking at it, yeah, there is a lot of modification for this car, and yeah, it honestly looks great, but then I cannot really tell whether this is what, a street car or sports car or what. I don't know. I'm actually not sure. But yeah, looking at this, it's pretty nice. Like the design, gray and green. Not just any green, sort of like lemon. Not lemon. Okay, maybe it looks like kind of a lemony sort of color. Still, it looks great nonetheless. You do have some body kit details here and there, which we'll go through in a bit. The design, I would say a bit aggressive if you ask me. The design of this car, pretty aggressive, and yeah, it looks very nice. So let's take a close look at our MX-5 Miata. Okay. So we have this MX-5 Miata, which is a metallic gray sort of color. Looks great nonetheless. So you can see that it's sort of in this metallic gray. Love the colors. So like a sparkly effect. Hot Wheels, it has some Japanese text right there, and some green stripes here and there. The rims, I don't really know what type of rims are these. Are these the new rims? I think they are. The donut rims, I'm not sure. I think so. You have the wide plastic white body kit on this, but then yeah, it's just a plastic white body kit nonetheless. Colored in black, very nice. I'd say pretty fine, I guess. So that's for the side. Oh yeah, there is the, I believe, the side mirror right here. I'm not sure. What is this? Is that like a side mirror or side screen? I'm not sure what's that for. But yeah, that's the side view of the car. I believe that's the gas cap. I'm not sure. The body kit is pretty insane. Here's the front of the car. Now you have your I believe your rain lights or fog lights. You do have your headlights like slightly open just a bit. You do have some more lights at the bottom right here. I don't know, some more mumbo jumbo down here. I don't know what is it about. You do have your canard right here on each side. You have your extended front splitter. That's nice. You have some hood pins. You have your hood intake, and then some black stripe right here. So the windshield is basically connected to the roof, and the whole part is plastic. So some parts are transparent, some parts are basically not even translucent. It's actually just fully covered, sort of like a matte texture. So regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, blacked out dashboard, right-hand drive. For the roof, it's actually colored in matte black, which is interesting. Towards the back, you don't have a rear window. Just if you're wondering, you do have this like fin at the back. It reminds me of a shark fin at the back right here. That's cool. Here is the other side, pretty much the same. I don't see much of a difference. That's pretty cool. And moving towards the back, oh my god, that does not look like an MX-5 at all. This reminds me of what? An Audi RS7, is it? No, or maybe a Porsche Taycan or so, I think. I don't know. That one straight line could technically be a Tesla, I think, as well. I don't know, it's between an Audi and a Porsche or a Tesla sort of rear light right here, which is nice, colored in red. At least they colored it. And are there exhausts? I think there is, I'm not entirely sure. You do have this small little rear lip right here at the back, which is nice. Going towards the base, blacked out base, MX-5 Miata, Mazda MX-5 Miata. Made in Malaysia, 2024 Mattel, plastic blacked out base. Overall, I would say nicely done, but if I were, I cannot really compare it with a regular Miata because I don't know where my Miata is, but still, this car looks great, just that the body kit is a bit weird here and there. And I understand it's basically like an inspiration or a replica from a real life Hot Wheels Legends Tour winner. Basically based on the votes, whoever that's being voted to basically win in that year. And this is the car that actually won. But yeah, it's not a surprise to me that a car like this would win. I'd honestly think that cars like this, maybe heavily modified, would most likely win. But yeah, looking at this, it's pretty crazy to actually see an MX-5 like this. And yeah, hopefully Mattel would actually do more colors of this, hopefully in the future, I guess. Yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Mazda MX-5 Miata Hot Wheels Legends Tour Edition. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed my videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon, bye bye.